of holiday celebrations. They must stop. Happiness is a fantasy that no one has time for. Work, that is something to live for. Work for the glory of your queen. Idle celebration will not be tolerated. Behold the fate of the ones who disobey me. This little girl thought to celebrate Christmas. Christmas is forbidden.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Pathetic! Once more.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Once more.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Good. I'll escort the prisoner to her fate to remain frozen for the rest of time. Be sure to do your best that her fate is not your own.
Everyone bow as Her Royal Highness, the Ice Queen, departs.
Did I just hear what I think I heard?
Christmas tree!
I used to love Christmas. It was my favorite.
I have so many happy memories. Do you remember Christmas?
It was scrumptious.
I never seen that ball.
What was it you used to say?
Merry Christmas!
Oh no, not her.
She's terrifying. The main person who ever lived. That's scary! Oh, that wolf has a weird howl. That's not a wolf. That's that puppy again. We do. Hide. There's no time. Behind the trees. I wish I could understand you, Flora. Maybe we wouldn't be so late getting home. Now please be a good puppy and sit. I can help you. Whoa. What are you? I'm a foot fairy. Whoa. You mean you can help me to understand my little puppy? Flora? Mm-hmm. Come closer. It's okay, Flora. She's safe. Look how cute she is. Come closer. I don't like this. Don't do it. Hey! I can understand her. Did you do that? My magic gets better the closer you get. Don't do it. Come closer. Come chase me, Lily. Flora! No! I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere, pretty fairy. What were you trying to do to her? Go away, ice cream spy. Yeah, you're not welcome here. Fly away. What a give you. I know who you're very scared of.
Ha 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 ha!
The ice cream!
We better leave. Let's go. My, but the forest is full of impertinent little girls who insist on uttering their Christmas nonsense. You were the most inconvenient little thorn in my side for a while, but not anymore. You are now my prisoner. Want to know a secret? There is no keeping secrets from the Ice Queen. The result of such nonsense is dead. You didn't catch me. I was just pretending. No. Don't bother, Odette. Her fate has already been sealed. However, you couldn't even capture the easiest of prey. That fool and her dog. I made the mistake in trusting you with too much. No, stay. It's imperative that Christmas is never celebrated again. We'll need more power. Let me conjure reinforcements. You stay exactly where you are. I know what to do. Watch them all gather as I play my magical music. not.
Flora! Flora! Where are you? We're not supposed to be this deep in the woods. Hello? Is someone there? Hello? Where are you? I can't see you. But I'm not supposed to be this deep in the woods by myself. But that sound, it's so mesmerizing. Wait for me! I'm coming! Ringing the bells, sweet silver bells, all seem to say, here's the way. Join in the song, ding dong yell, magic we bring, walk and we live, nothing to fear. Joy is right here, from everywhere, filling the air. Oh, how they rock, raising the sound, ringing the bells, and we just get busy with lost, there is my cause, music for play, music away. La 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 I think the coast is clear. You must help me. Help! You must help me. I'm a Griffin. She's all I have. There I is. But you can't find a pussy to join all paths. Yay, what's this does? Don't worry, we'll all find a person. Right, guys? Yeah! Hello, who are all of you? We're animals in the forest. Excuse me, listen, miss. I'm Lily. Is it true? Is what true? You pulled the celebrate. You know. Oh yes, it's my favorite out of all the holidays. I'm not so used to talking to animals. Don't animals celebrate Christmas? Who's that? Does she have something to do with that fairy? That fairy was so cute. They're not cute. They're evil. How? See for yourself. What happened? Hello? All because this is simply the Christmas. All because this little girl tried to celebrate Christmas. People laughed. Listen closely. You don't have much time. Listen closely. When the ice cream gets here, you cheating. We're all frozen. So everyone act frozen.
I'm too tired to dance. I think if I just lie down. No, everyone, get up, please. You must get up.
No, everyone, get up, please. You must get up. 50, they can't move anymore. I'm stuck. Lily, I can't get to you. I'm scared. Don't be scared. Singing helps me take my mind off of really bad things sometimes. I'm sad I've only just met you, and now we're saying goodbye. Thank you for being so kind to me. Listen to the song. Take your mind off what's happening. Where are you, Christmas? Why can't I find you? Why have you gone away? Where is the laughter you used to bring me? Why can't I hear music play? That was so beautiful. Thanks for being my best friend. Hey, you can move. We all can move. I'm free. Hi, I'm Lily. Are you alright?
Yes, Mama, go get that ice cream.
Wait, you don't have to do anything. We finally found her.
Found
who?
There once was a secret magic power that would sweep whatever had gone south. When you feel trapped without a choice, trust in me.
What is that?
It's a page from a book that there's no key how to get rid of. I was flying overhead when I saw it tossing away. I always do to give it a Christmas back. We don't have much time. Listen closely. When ice cream gets here, she is all frozen. Everyone act frozen. Lily, once the ice cream gets here, you need to start singing. You must trust me that you need to start singing right away. The fairy should join you, and then we can stop the ice cream. Is everyone ready?
Ready!
Looks like I got more frozen statues for my garden than I planned.
Your plan was amazing, Your Highness.
Oh, honestly, fairies assemble. Take them all away to my garden.
Yes, Your Majesty.
No!
Sing. Sing.
What's this?
You can do it. Sing. Let there be peace on earth, and let it begin with me. Let there be peace on earth, the peace that was meant to be. I know you think my voice is magical, but the power will be much stronger if we all sing this song together. It melted the ice from around my trapped heart. Thank you. Thank you very much. I never thought I would feel love again. You see, as a young sorceress, I thought I was invincible. So, I went to the coldest place on earth to prove that nothing could defeat me. It was so cold that my heart almost froze still. I worked some quick magic to save myself, but my heart, it became trapped in a cage of ice. I started to lose myself. Before the last of the warmth in my heart gave out, I created a magic voice and willed it to find a strong and determined young lady. And I see now that it has succeeded. Thank you, Lily, and thank you to all who helped her. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!